Learn Igbo vowels, Udaume, in Igbo language. Igbo vowels are 8 in numbers. Example: A, E, O, U, I, O, I. They are divided into 2 groups. The first group is called group A. Example: A, O, U, I. You can see that the first group, they have dot under. Apart from A, they are called light vowel letters. The second group is called group A, heavy vowels. Example: A, O, U, I. They don't have dot under. You can see that they are heavy in pronouncing. Now fill in the gaps using the vowels accordingly in Igbo language. Look at all the vowels here together, 8 of them in number. Igbo, English. These are the objects. The first object here is ụlọ. Ụlọ, we call it ụlọ. The consonant here is given. We call it li. Now, fix in the vowel letters that will fit this house. We call it ụlọ. Ụlọ. Dash and dash are the vowel letters missing. The middle one is called consonant. So, from these vowel letters, choose the right vowel that will fit in this object called ụlọ and fix it here. Secondly, you have ho. Number 2 in English is called ho, ọgụ. Number 1 is called house, ụlọ, fix it. Then number 2 is called ho, ọgụ. So the consonant is given. Fix the 2 vowels from here. The third one is cup, iko. The object here we drew is called iko. Then fix in the 2 vowels that are missing. Then this key is the consonant. It's giving you the consonant, so fix in the 2 vowels. And then select them from here and fix it. Drop your questions at the comment section. Bye for now. Share our videos for others to see and follow us for more.